Gyronics.
Welcome back to another C++ coding exercise. This is exercise 8, and we will showcase the usage of for loop. Actually, our problem for this exercise is the same as our exercise 7. So the prime number checker app. You can check that one if you haven't programmed this yet. Okay, the prime number checker. Okay, so we are asked to, of course, develop a program that determine if a given number is a prime number or not. Okay. So simply, the user will enter the number, let's say 17, and the program will determine or evaluate if that number is a prime. So in this case, 17 is a prime number. The only difference, this time, we will be using for loop. Okay, let's open now the CodeBlocks IDE, and we'll actually edit what we have programmed in laboratory exercise 7. So we'll be using for loop this time. And now we will not create a project, but rather we will open the exercise 7. Okay, so let's open that one. Okay, file, open. So let's browse to the folder. I have saved that in this folder, the C++ projects. Okay, so let's open this folder and this one. Okay, the prime numbers. So let's edit this one. Okay, open. Then make sure you open this one, the CBP file. Okay, the project file. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, this is the prime number program, and now we will actually edit this part. Okay, the do while. Okay, let's replace this do while statement with for loop. Okay, so I will create space here. So let's set up first the syntax for the for loop. So we have for, okay, open and close parentheses, open and close brace. Based on this example, what we are actually iterating is this divisor. Okay, so let's create that variable in the for loop. So we have int divisor. Okay, so that one. Then the condition, so this one, as long as the divisor is, okay, actually I can copy this one. So let's copy paste. So that is the condition. So as long as the divisor is less than or equal to the number, and of course the iteration or the increment. So we have divisor plus plus. Okay, so that's how we set up this for loop. And inside the body of the for loop, okay, is this statement. This one counts how many a number is divided evenly. Okay, so let's copy this one. Okay, copy paste. Because actually this is our for loop, so let's omit this comment. So I only use this as an example. And now we can actually delete this do while. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so let's delete. Okay. As you can see, we have here a divisor with a variable which is local to the for loop only, and we don't need this one anymore. Okay, so actually we don't initialize the divisor. So the divisor will start at 2. So if you remember the condition. Okay, so let's delete this one. Okay, so we don't need that variable anymore. Okay, so let's try this out. Okay, build and run. Okay, so 17 is a prime number. Okay, yes. So what else? Let's say 6. Of course, 6 is not a prime number. So what are other prime numbers? So let's check to our given reference. Let's try this one. Okay, 41 is a prime number. 42 is not. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, so 41, do you wish to continue Y or N? Okay, so please enter Y or N only. Okay, so yes. So 41 is a prime number, of course. Okay, so yes. So 42 is not a prime number. Okay, okay, so it has the same output, but this time we are using the for loop. Okay, so no, exit. So let's go back to the program. Actually, majority of the programmer when using for loop, they are using this variable I. So let's use that in our program. So I don't know the reason, but it's like a practice. Okay, if you use using a for loop. Okay, so this is I, and of course we will check now the also the I variable, and this is one we will be incrementing. And take note that this is the divisor. Okay, so of course I will also change this into I. Okay, our divisor. Okay, so let's try this out. So we are expecting the same result, so we only edit the variables. Instead of divisor, we use I. Okay, so again, mostly programmers use that when they are using the for loop. Okay, so we have 17. Okay, prime number. What else? 41 is a prime number. 1009 is a prime number. Okay, so another not prime number is 42. Okay, it's not the prime number. Okay, so we're done with this exercise, and see you on the exercise number 9.